What's up, y'all? So today I think I'm just gonna be doing some practice stick welding on this stuff. It's pretty thin, but I'm gonna see if I can get the 16th inch 6013s to work on it. We'll see. Okay, so this I believe is 22 gauge, and I use the 6011. No, I use the 6013 16th inch. Um, it does blow through, as you can see here, but I had a nice weld there kind of in the center, so it looks totally doable. Just gonna work on the technique. So here's what the second round looks like. I think the verdict is too thin for even 16th inch stick welding.